Hello everyone, you are welcome to our science class, okay? And we'll be looking at biology as part of our science. Remember, science are of three parts, which are biology, chemistry, and physics. We'll be looking at biology in this our lesson. And the title of our discussion of our lesson this morning is growth and development. Growth and development. Growth and development. Say it. Say it repeatedly. Alright, that's our title. At the end of the lesson of this today, at the end of the lesson today, right, you should be able to explain the meaning of growth. You should be able to explain the meaning of development. You mentioned type of growth, and we will list out the characteristic of growth, and be able to identify stages involved in plant growth, and list the factors affecting the growth of plants. Okay, look at him. Go to your note. You see the keywords there, which you need to pronounce, and of course, can check for their meaning in your dictionary. Though might be different from what we have here. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about this growth. Growth. What is growth? Okay, what is growth? Growth is an irreversible, constant increase in size of an organ or even an individual cell. Remember, you were taught before about cells, that's the smallest living unit, and you are taught about organ, that a group of cells that are working together in order to perform certain functions. Okay, but the size of cells, increase in the size of cells or increase in the size of an organ is known as a growth. Okay, though as it occurs in the cells, it actually comes out for everyone to see. Okay, when it comes out for everyone to see, it becomes development. Okay, growth said it's lifespan development. Okay, growth continue throughout lifespan of our organisms. Growth continue, okay, because one organ or the other will continue to increase in size till one dies. Right. Um, a quick one. Let's look at development. Okay, what is development? Development is a process where a particular organism not only grows physically but acquires mental and physical growth as well. Development combined the elements in growth and harder sure the mental development. Okay, mental. And of course, you see, at the time you were small and now you are big. At the time, a dog gave birth to its young one, very small, and it becomes big at the time. Okay, it has developed. Every part of it has developed. You become wiser. When you are small, you are not that wise. Okay, because the mental development is not there. But now you are wiser because you are well developed. That is it. That is development. Okay. All right. Look at this. Okay. Look at this picture. You have it in your note. Okay. When a child is born, it will be very small. At the time it grow up, it become a toddler, the will crawl all around, become big, a little big, will run here and there, okay, become teenagers, okay, and become adult, become mature, old. And when one grows old, you get to a stage of maturity that there won't be increase in the height. Okay, there may not be a visible increase in height that everyone will see, but rather the person might be coming down, becoming like baby again. All right, and that's how growth and development occur in the life of living organisms. So that you remember, in the living general characteristic of living things, I would say living thing dies. Okay. Eventually, the person will grow, and die. All right. Time for growth. There are three types of growth that I'm mentioning here. You see it, we have primary growth, we have vegetative growth, and we have reproductive growth. Okay, primary and secondary growth are that part of the cell development, okay, inside the cell. That is the major one. We have vegetative growth, where plants bring out the flowers. It happens in flowers, not in human being. Okay. Then we have reproductive growth. This happens in plant and animal. Okay. That's some body begin to adjust to the new level of maturity that have been attained. Okay. Right. The quick one, characteristic of growth. Growth, like I said, is a lifetime thing. Okay, we continue to grow the lifetime. Okay, again, growth is measurable. You can measure it. Okay, you can see this one here now. You can begin to measure at one point when you plant a seed, it's becoming bigger, 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 bigger. Okay, the increase in the height now can be measured. So that's what we mean by growth is measurable. All right, you can see that there. So that is that. What are the factors that affect growth? Okay, we have internal factors and we have external factors. Those are the things that cause growth to occur or cause growth not to occur. Okay, the external factors are major one. One of which is light. Okay, especially for plants, they need light. Once they have light, they will grow very well. If they don't have light, they will not grow. They have temperature. Okay, temperature should not be hot, should not be too hot, should not be too cold. Okay, then water is necessary for growth. Then nutrients that will nourish the body, okay, is also necessary for growth. All right, the internal factors are purely hormonal matter. They are hormones. Okay, hormones. We will be learning about that later. All right, a quick one. Ask yourself, what is growth? And ask yourself, what is development? Ask yourself, what are the types of growth that I know? Then ask yourself the characteristic of growth. Then list factors affecting growth of plants. Then I encourage you to go to portals. You go to your portals, you log into your live class so I can do some tasks there. Okay. See you next time. Bye.